Hello, my name is Laura White, and I would like to invite you to Unshakeable Faith, a women's workshop. It's on Friday, February 28th and Saturday, March 1st at Grace Fellowship in Sanford. We live in an ever-darkening world, but here's the reality. As believers, we have the truth and God's hope, and we are called to be ready to give an answer for the hope that we have. So take this weekend and nail down the beauty of God's design, how to refute the lies of culture from moral relativism to self-helpism to feminism. We'll find practical ways to answer questions, identify different worldviews, and get equipped to respond to this world with truth and grace. And we would love you to join us. Unshakable Faith, February 28th and March 1st. Register today.